Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business but didn't know where to begin? Don't worry, in just 30 days you can turn your idea into a real business. Stick with me and I'll walk you through this step-by-step guide. We'll cover everything from brainstorming ideas to creating a solid business plan, and even marketing strategies to get your first customers. By the end of this journey, you'll have a fully operational business. So let's get started and make your entrepreneurial dream a reality. The first step to starting a business is finding the right idea. Focus on your skills, passions, and the problems you can solve for others. Here's what you'll do in the first 5 days. Brainstorm 5 to 10 business ideas. Identify your unique skills or expertise. Narrow down to one idea that excites you and solves a problem. Remember, your business should be the perfect blend of what you love and what people need. Research market trends to ensure your idea is viable. Define your business purpose and mission. Set clear goals to guide your journey. Next, you need to find out if your idea works. This is a crucial step in ensuring your business's success. Research your target market and analyze your competitors. Identify your target audience and understand their needs and preferences. Conduct surveys or online polls to gather valuable feedback. This will give you insights into what potential customers are looking for. Research competitors' strengths and weaknesses. Look at what they are doing well and where they are falling short. This will help you refine your idea and ensure there's demand for what you're offering. By understanding the market landscape, you can position your business for success. Remember, thorough research and validation can save you time and resources in the long run. Take your time with this step. Now it's time to put everything on paper. A well-thought-out business plan is essential for your success. A business plan doesn't have to be complicated. It's a roadmap for your business. Start with a one-page outline that includes these key points. What problem you're solving, how you'll make money, who your customers are, and how you'll reach them. What sets you apart from the competition. This plan will guide you as you grow your business. It will help you stay focused and on track. Remember, your business plan is a living document. Update it regularly as your business evolves. With a solid plan in place, you're setting yourself up for success. Take the time to do it right. Your brand is how people will recognize and trust you. Choose a memorable name, design a simple logo, and set up your online presence. First impressions matter, so keep your branding clean and professional. Start by brainstorming names that are unique and easy to remember. Once you have a name, design a logo that represents your business. It should be simple yet impactful. Your logo and color scheme should reflect the personality of your brand. Choose colors and fonts that align with your business values. Next, establish your online presence. Create a professional website and set up social media profiles to connect with your audience. Consistency is key. Make sure your branding is consistent across all platforms to build trust and recognition. Remember, your brand is the face of your business. Invest time in creating a brand that truly represents who you are and what you stand for. Now let's get official. Register your business name and take care of the legalities. This step ensures your business is compliant and builds trust with customers. First, choose a unique business name and check its availability. This is crucial to avoid any legal issues down the road. Next, decide on the business structure. Will it be a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation? Each has its own legal and tax implications. Then register your business with the appropriate government agencies. This might include federal, state, and local registrations. Don't forget to obtain any necessary licenses and permits. These vary by industry and location, so do your research. Finally, set up a business bank account. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is essential for legal and tax purposes. Taking these steps not only ensures compliance, but also builds credibility with your customers and partners. Remember, setting up your business legally is a foundational step that paves the way for future success. It's time to create what you're going to sell. Whether it's a product, service, or digital offering, focus on quality. Finalize your product or service. Test it to ensure quality. Determine pricing that covers costs and generates profit. Don't overcomplicate. Start small and improve as you grow. Gather feedback from your initial customers. Use the feedback to make necessary adjustments. Plan your next steps and continue to refine your offering. With your product or service ready, it's time to create buzz. Use social media, email marketing, or even host a launch event. A well-planned event can create a lot of excitement and anticipation. Plan a social media countdown. This builds anticipation and keeps your audience engaged. Offer early bird discounts or freebies. These incentives can attract more customers and create a sense of urgency. Collaborate with influencers or friends to promote your launch. Their endorsement can significantly boost your reach. The goal here is to build excitement and get your first customers. Celebrate your achievements and learn from the experience. After the launch, analyze the results and gather feedback. This will help you improve for future launches. Finally, it's launch day. This is the moment you've been working towards. Celebrate your hard work by officially opening your business to the world. It's time to shine. Go live with your website or open your store. Make sure everything is perfect for your customers. Promote on social media and share with friends and family. Spread the word far and wide. Gather feedback to improve and grow. Listen to your customers and adapt. Congratulations, you're now a business owner. Enjoy this moment, but remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. Keep pushing forward and stay motivated. And there you have it, your 30-day roadmap to starting a business. The key is to stay consistent and take one step at a time. Remember, every small effort counts and builds up over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more actionable tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Now go chase your dream and make it a reality. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward no matter the challenges. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep striving for success and never give up.